Why you aren't making 10K per month in trading by DGS Trades, free community link in the description. Let's get into this. First of all, you are not a 10K per month trader. If you were a 10K per month trader, you would be making 10K per month trader. So in order to make 10K a month, you need to basically turn into a 10K per month trader. So at the moment, the person who you are is not a 10K per month trader. So it is your fault in the end. And in order, you need to make change for that to happen. So basically, how to become a 10K per month trader. You need to change your identity to a 10K per month trader. Copy what they do, and eventually you'll become one of them. Because if you follow their habits, their characteristics, eventually you'll become a 10K per month trader. Because what you're doing right now isn't leading up to that, because you're not making 10K per month trading. And this is something I'm currently working on as well, because I'm not a 10K per month trader yet. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do. So I really like this example, car and driver example. So the car is your trading, the driving is you. You are absolutely responsible for your trading. If it fails, it is your fault. So you need to be fully accountable for your mistakes, your losses, and basically why it messes up. You need to build it back up and be the responsible driver, because you're fully in charge of your trading, which is your car. So in the end, once you lose, once you take losses, it is your fault. So you need to be accountable for it and just come back. And another key step is reevaluate everything you're doing. Most of the stuff you're doing isn't working for you, because most likely you aren't where you want to be right now. So in order for this to happen, is you need to write down every single habit that you have in trading and outside of trading. And you need to make sure every habit is positive. If it's negative, you need to find a way how to get rid of it, because every negative habit is holding you back in trading and everything else. Because if you have a negative habit, that's leading negative output. So if you have positive inputs, which are habits, you'll have positive output. So you need a positive output constantly. And yeah, so right now, write down all of the inputs you have, which are habits. Write down all of the habits you have, and write down if they're negative or positive in trading. And figure out how to only have positive habits in trading. If you do this, you'll see a bunch of growth in your trading. Why? Because you're having a bunch of positive inputs instead of negative inputs in your trading, which will lead to a positive output if you have a bunch of positive inputs directing in your trade. So yeah, another thing you need. Sorry guys, my recording kind of failed, so that's why my clothing and everything changed, but yeah. Direct your focus to the process rather than the money. So you need a whole mental shift. You need to focus on what actually accomplishes the goal rather than focusing on the goal itself. For example, if you want to become a 10K per month trader, that's your goal. You need to focus on actually becoming a 10K per month trader rather than focusing just on the 10K. So you need to become the person first before you can actually accomplish the goal. That's what you should be focusing on. And the last thing is you need to understand that trading is a long process. Many people think it's a get rich quick thing, and those people get screwed over. Very self-explanatory, straight to the point. If you think it's a get rich quick thing, you're going to get screwed over. And that's just how it is. So that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, took value. Make sure to sub and join the free community, link in the description. Laters.